Scene 1. Ordering coffee.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Great. Would you like any milk or sugar in your coffee?
Yes, a little milk and 1 spoon of sugar, please.
No problem. Would you like to try any flavor? Like vanilla or caramel?
Vanilla sounds nice. Let's add that.
Perfect. Anything else for you today?
Yes, could I also get a chocolate muffin?
Of course. Would you like it warmed up?
Yes, please, that would be great.
All right, a medium vanilla coffee and a warm chocolate muffin. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. How much is it?
That'll be $6.50, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a moment.
Thanks a lot. I can't wait for my coffee.
Scene 2. Is the food spicy?
Good evening. What would you like to order today?
Hi, I'm thinking about trying the chicken curry.
Great choice. It's one of our most popular dishes.
Sounds good. But tell me, is that dish spicy?
It has a medium level of spice. Not too hot, but flavorful.
I don't handle spicy food very well.
No problem. We can make it mild for you if you prefer.
Oh, that's perfect. Please make it mild then.
Sure. Would you like rice or bread with it?
I'll take rice, please.
Noted. Would you like something to drink? Maybe a mango lassi?
I heard it helps with spice.
Yes, that's a great idea. It's sweet and cooling.
Perfect. I'll go with that then.
Anything else you'd like to try?
Maybe some samosas as a starter. Are they spicy?
Just a little, mostly flavorful, not hot.
Okay, I'll try them too.
Wonderful. 1 mild chicken curry, rice, samosas, and a mango lassi.
That's right. Thank you for helping me choose.
Scene 3. Ordering food.
Hey, can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Let me know if you need any help.
Thanks. What do you recommend?
Our burgers are really popular, especially the spicy chicken one.
Sounds good. Is it really spicy though?
Not too bad, just a little kick.
All right, I'll try that. Can I get it with fries?
Sure, regular or curly fries.
Curly, definitely. And can I get a Coke with that?
Yep. Do you want it medium or large?
Let's go with large.
Got it. Anything else?
Do you guys have any desserts?
Yeah, we've got brownies, ice cream, and cheesecake.
Oh, cheesecake sounds tempting.
It's really good. Wanna add a slice?
Yeah, why not? Let's do it.
All right, so that's a spicy chicken burger with curly fries.
Yep, that's it.
Awesome. I'll get that started. Should be ready in about 10 minutes.
Scene 4. How many people?
Good evening. How many people?
2, please. A table near the window, if possible.
Of course. Here's the menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, 2 glasses of water, please.
Sure. Are you ready to order? Or would you like a few more minutes?
We're ready. I'll have the spaghetti carbonara.
And I'll take the grilled salmon with.
Great choices. Would you like any starters?
Yes, tomato soup and garlic bread, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
That's all for now. Thank you.
I'll be right back with your drinks.
Scene 5. How was the food?
How was everything?
Absolutely delicious. The salmon was perfectly cooked, and the pasta was creamy and flavorful. Compliments to the chef.
I'm glad you liked it. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
We have chocolate mousse, fruit salad, and cheesecake today.
We'll share 1 chocolate mousse, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that'll be all. Can we have the bill, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a lovely evening.
You too. Scene 6. Ordering wrong food.
Excuse me, I think I ordered the wrong meal.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I accidentally asked for a beef burger. But I don't eat beef.
Don't worry at all. We can fix this for you.
Really? I was afraid I'd have to pay again.
No need to worry. We'll just change your order.
Thank you. That's such a relief.
Would you like to switch it to chicken or maybe vegetarian?
Chicken, please. That's what I meant to order.
Great choice. I'll cancel the beef burger right away.
I really appreciate your help.
It happens all the time. Don't feel bad.
I was worried I'd cause trouble.
Not at all. It's our job to make sure you're happy with your meal.
That's very kind of you.
Your chicken burger will be ready in just a few minutes.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
I'm glad to hear that. Anything else with your order?
No, that's perfect.
Wonderful. I'll bring it to your table shortly.
Scene 7. Are you ready to order?
Hi there. Welcome to Sunshine Restaurant.
Hi, thanks.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so.
Great. What would you like today?
I'm in the mood for some fried chicken.
Good choice. How many pieces would you like?
Maybe 6 pieces.
Original or spicy?
Let's go with spicy.
Okay, 6 spicy pieces. Would you like a combo or just chicken?
What comes in the combo?
You'll get fries, a drink, and a biscuit.
Sounds good. I'll take the combo.
What drink would you like?
Pepsi, please.
Regular or large?
Just regular is fine.
Got it. Would you like any sauces?
Yes, barbecue and ranch.
Sure. Anything else?
Can I also get a small coleslaw?
Absolutely.
And maybe a chocolate chip cookie.
1 cookie coming right up.
That's all for now.
Perfect. Let me repeat your order.
Sure.
6-piece spicy combo with fries, Pepsi, biscuit, barbecue, and ranch sauces, 1 small coleslaw and a cookie.
Yes, that's correct.
Your total is 42.50 SAR.
Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here's your receipt.
Thanks.
Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
No problem. I'll wait here.
It smells so good, doesn't it?
Yes, I've been craving this all day.
Busy day?
Very. I skipped lunch.
Then this meal will taste even better.
I bet it will.
Do you come here often?
Once or twice a month.
That's great.
The service is always good here.
Thank you. That means a lot.
And the chicken is always crispy.
That's what we're known for.
My friends love it too.
You should bring them next time.
I will. We could make it a group lunch.
Sounds like fun.
Do you work every day?
Almost. I'm here 5 days a week.
That's a lot.
It is, but I enjoy it.
That's good to hear.
Your order is ready.
Oh, great.
Here's your bag. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Come back soon.
I definitely will. Bye.
Bye.
Scene 8, inviting friend to a party.
Hello?
Hey Sarah, it's Jake.
Oh, hey. How are you?
I'm good, you.
I'm doing great. Just relaxing.
Nice. Are you busy right now?
Not really. Just watching TV.
Cool, I won't keep you long.
No worries. What's up?
I was wondering if you're free this weekend.
I think I am. Why?
I'm planning a little get-together.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, just a few friends, nothing big.
Where is it?
At my place, Saturday evening.
What time should I come?
Around 6:30 maybe.
Sounds perfect.
Great, can you bring anything?
Sure. What do you need?
Maybe some drinks or snacks.
I can bring chips and soda.
That's perfect, thanks.
How many people are coming?
Around 8 or 9.
Anyone I know?
Yeah, Sam, Lily, Tom.
Oh, nice. I haven't seen them in ages.
Exactly. It'll be like a mini reunion.
I'm excited already.
Me too, it's been too long.
Do you want me to help set up?
That would be amazing.
What time should I come over?
Maybe around 5.
Okay. I'll be there.
Awesome, thanks again.
Of course. What are we eating?
Pizza and wings mostly.
Classic choice.
You know me, simple and good.
I'll skip lunch that day.
Smart move.
Do you need music?
I've got a playlist ready.
Great.
But you can DJ too if you want.
Deal.
Oh, bring your camera.
Good idea. Let's take lots of pics.
Definitely memories.
Are we playing games too?
Yes, I've got cards and board games.
Can't wait.
It'll be chill and fun.
My kind of night.
I'm glad you can make it.
I wouldn't miss it.
Cool, I'll send you the location again.
I still have it saved.
Just in case.
All right.
Anything else you need to know?
Nope. I'm all set.
Okay, I'll see you Saturday.
Yep, I'll be there at 5.
Looking forward to it?
Same here. Take care.
Oh, and wear something comfy.
Got it. No heels this time.
Ha ha, smart choice.
I'll also bring my speaker, just in case.
Perfect, backup is always good.
Saturday can't come soon enough.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Jake.
If you have found the video useful, please press the like button.
Thank you for learning with us. Consistent practice leads to real improvement. Continue engaging with English daily, and your confidence will grow naturally. See you next time.